Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you all how I made a little shirt for a friend of mine. So this shirt is for her daughter for school, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so I've already printed out the little Mustang that she wanted. That's the logo of, or the mascot of her school. She wants it to say Mustang Pride with her daughter's name on the back of the shirt. So now I'm using glitter vinyl, and for that the temperature is a little bit higher, so just make sure that you look at the type of vinyl that you have, because some vinyls require a different temperature than others. For this vinyl, I have to heat press for 45 seconds. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and then I'll wait for it to cool. And now that it's cooled, I'm going to peel off the plastic. And this is a final look of the shirt. And I also put her name on the back as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the subscribe button and the bell button next to the subscribe button. That way you can be notified each time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.